Hi, boys and girls. So for today, for this week, life skills for us is going to be brushing your teeth. So that's going to be our objective for this week on life skills. We will learn how to brush our teeth, and we will talk about how important it is to brush your teeth. First step, you squeeze the toothpaste onto your toothbrush. Why is it important to squeeze the toothpaste onto the toothbrush? It is important because that is what you use to brush your teeth. When you brush your teeth, you brush them in the morning and then you brush them again before you go to sleep. It is good to keep a good dental hygiene. Step 2, you hold the toothbrush under the tap. And then step 3, you begin to brush your teeth. Remember, you brush your teeth in rotating motion. So the way my cursor is going, you rotate in circular motion. Here's a short video that I'm going to play.
Brush your teeth up and down. Brush your teeth round and round. Brush your teeth from left to right. Brush your teeth in the morning and night. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush your teeth in the morning and night. Brush your teeth to keep them white. Brush your teeth so your smile is bright. Brush your teeth, it's so much fun. Brush your teeth when the day's begun. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush your teeth when the day's begun. Brush your teeth, just open wide. Brush your teeth from side to side. Brush your teeth, you sleepyhead. Brush your teeth before you go to bed. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush your teeth before you go to bed. Brush your teeth up and down. Brush your teeth round and round. Brush your teeth from left to right. Brush your teeth in the morning and night. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush your teeth in the morning and night.
Awesome. So now that you know how to brush your teeth, after you do that, you are going to brush your teeth, then spit the toothpaste into the sink. Then you are going to rinse your mouth and smile. Remember, boys and girls, it is important to brush your teeth because then your teeth can be strong and healthy.